third or fourth ramen, and it's true. Let's see how it tastes.
So that's the chef's chew.
Salad?
Is it good?
Tastes like beef.
Tastes like beef.
Something I wouldn't.
Okay, first time. My name is Hannah. I'll be your operator on the way up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. The ride's going to be about 7.5 minutes. And I will tell you guys a little bit about the town, some things we can see, history, views, stuff like that. I won't talk on the way down unless you have questions, though. Don't worry, you'll get a peaceful ride down. We are a bit different than a gondola. So gondolas go around in a loop, and they've got a bunch of different cars on them. We only have 2 cars in total, so we just go back and forth on 2 separate lines. One can't leave without the other. So when we pass the other car, that will be exactly our halfway point. Now we can see out the back right-hand side there, the town of Jasper. Shaped like a J for Jasper. It's actually shaped like that because we were originally a railway settlement, so the tracks came first, and then the town was built into the shape of the tracks. And that farther one with the little island of trees in the middle of it, that is Pyramid Lake. You can go to that island, there's a little bridge that will take you there, and it's only like a 5-10 minute drive out of town for all of these lakes that I mentioned. Wow. And you came at a great time of year as well, because our flowers are in bloom now, and they're only in bloom for a few weeks and then they disappear. So most people who visit don't even get to see them. But because of the altitude as well, it takes them 30 to 50 years just to bloom.
Oh, it's pretty though.
View from the top of Whistler Mountain. There's a trail going to the summit. It's like 1.4 kilometers. We're gonna do it. Let's go. Jasper, seen from trail to the Whistler summit, shaped like the letter J because of the train tracks. View around the summit. You can see the whole mountain range around here. The sun is at that side, so it's there's some wildlife. Yeah. Okay, that was the Skytram station, the town of Jasper behind it, the Athabasca River, lakes, mountain range. So impressive. We're at the Summit Cafe where you can see around us.